Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at FUBO. This is ticker FUBO. So FUBO does have earnings coming up on November the 9th, but it's coming out of a nice, tight pattern on the daily chart and on the weekly chart. And those are some of my favorite setups. We'll start here on the daily chart. You can see this nice big volume thrust that we got today and a break above a short base of consolidation. But if I flip to the weekly chart, you can see the last couple of weeks we've really just kind of been hovering around these key moving averages here. This is the 50-day moving average, the 8-day, and the 21-day. And if I draw a downward sloping trend line from the high back here in December, we can actually connect some tops. Boom, boom, and boom! Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 tops going across and a breakthrough coming on good daily volume. So although this has earnings coming up, I think that this is one you should definitely keep an eye on for a potential short-term pullback entry to some moving averages. So keep an eye on FUBO. Earnings coming up November the 9th. We'll see how it goes. Hey, if you like this video, be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. My name is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter. We'll see you next time.